Hi all, my name is Tihomir Gver, and today I will present you anyCode, an assistance tool that synthesizes and suggests Java code snippets. anyCode is implemented as an Eclipse plugin. Now let us see how it works. In our first example, let's say a developer wants to define the method that backups file. As an input, it takes location and name of the original file stored in the parameter fname. In the first line of the code, let's say a developer already defined a variable bname that stores the location and the name of the backup file. In the next line, developer needs to write the code that will copy the content of the original file to the place where the backup file is. Alternatively, it can do this automatically by invoking anyCode. The anyCode is invoked by pressing Ctrl space. Then the pop-up menu appears, and at the top of the pop-up menu there is a text field. Developer can use this text field to express his needs. For instance, he can type copy file fname to bname. Now note the following, this is English text, however fname and bname, they refer to the local variables that we have in the code. Now anyCode will use this text in order to synthesize expressions. Now a developer can press Enter, and the list of ranked expressions will appear. Now he can inspect these expressions and select the one that he thinks is the best one. In this case, the first one is the best one. When the expression is selected, it's automatically inserted into the code. In the next example, let's say a developer wants to define a method that will make new file. Again, he can do this automatically by using anyCode and typing something like this. Make file fname. Now let's observe generated expressions, in particular the first one. It contains words like file and fname, but it doesn't contain word make. Instead, it contains word create. Make and create, they are related words, they are synonyms. So this also shows that anyCode has flexible input interface that allows developer to use synonyms and related words in order to synthesize expressions. In this example, we show how anyCode can be used in order to fix broken expressions. So let's say a developer writes something like this. Read file name UTF-8. Now what this says is that developer wants to read the file with a particular name using this encoding. However, this expression doesn't type check, and anyCode can take such an input and transform it into a correct expression. In this case, an expression that appears at the 5th position is the correct one. In this example, we show how anyCode can be used in order to generate complex expressions, like the expression that loads a particular class given the name of this class in a local variable tc. In order to do this, a developer can type something like load class tc, and then the expression that appears at the second place is the one that performs desired task. In our last example, we show how anyCode can be used in order to set the priority of the current thread to the minimum. To do this, developer might type something like set thread priority to min. And the expression that appears at the top is the one that performs desired task. Thank you very much for watching our video on anyCode.